got a cicada in his mouth.
Get up and go.
He wants to come inside to eat it. He's not allowed.
Don't bring any big bugs inside.
Look at that cicada. He's got a cicada in his mouth. He really wants to bring it inside. No. Look at that. He's even doing his one paw up. Please, Mommy. Please. I want to come inside so I can eat this. Go eat it with your grass. Watch. It's making noise.
He doesn't like it.
Oh. And it flew away. And now he will sit there. This is the second time he's caught this.
Same bug.
Same bug. Oh, third time. There he goes. He's got it. He's got the bug. Champion cicada catcher.
Think he wants help killing it?
Champion cicada killer. That is our Caspurr. Is he gonna try to eat it? Oh, it's making noise. It is scaring him. Oh, there he goes. Oh.
As long as he didn't head off the porch there. He's not catching it in his mouth, even though it's sitting right there.
It's sitting right there and he's not getting it.
I guess he knows now that he can't really bite it.
He is a hunter. He's not a big fan of loud noises. So the cicada really, he loves catching it, but it really startles him. The fact that it's not running away is kind of bothering him. I think that's why he's not full on attacking it. He's been at this for over 20 minutes.